Tihai in the position Tribhanga. Tihai starts with Tribhanga number 10. Then Tribhanga number 1 and 3 is done. Arms stay in the position Tribhanga number 10. After that, full Tribhanga 3 is done, together with arms. All steps are done twice on the second speed. When finished, we move to the right side with beat of right foot. Left leg stands on tiptoe behind right leg. We do this step 3 times. Arms in front near solar plexus in the position Mayura Hasta Mudra. Then we do choke number 2 with arms open to the sides, staying in Mayura Hasta Mudra. When done, the right leg stands on tiptoe in the position Suchita Pada. Next step is a half beat with your left foot. Then we do Tribhanga 3 to the right side. After the movement, half beat with your left foot is done. After that, choke number 2, turning to 90 degrees to the right side. Left arm in the position Dola Hasta. Right arm opens in the position Mayura. Then turn back with sliding movement of right leg and do Tribhanga number 3. Left arm raises up above the head in the position Hansasya Hasta Mudra. Right arm opens in Alapadma, after which moves in front in Katakamukha Hasta Mudra. In the final beat, the left leg is in front in the position Tribhanga. Arms in front in the position Dola Hasta. Head turns to the right side. In this way, we finish Tihai.